Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain to you how you can turn on or turn off JavaScript in the Microsoft Edge web browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so launch Microsoft Edge. Next, access your browser settings by clicking into these three dots here, select settings. From your browser settings menu, navigate to privacy or privacy, depending on your pronunciation. Here on the left hand side, next select site permissions, select all permissions next, and look for JavaScript, which is here. As you can see, I have given the permission for JavaScript or Edge to use JavaScript, but you can always switch this off here to the right to not allow Edge to use JavaScript for websites you visit. If you like, guys, you can keep this permission disabled, but assign specific or grant specific permission to specific or exceptional websites by clicking into one of these buttons for one or the other rule. For example, if you keep it allowed like that, JavaScript, you may tell Edge to not use JavaScript for specific websites by clicking to this button, enter the URL here, and confirm by clicking into add there. And that's a customized behavior. But in general, if you'd like to keep JavaScript disabled as a default behavior, make sure that you switch off this option here. Or otherwise, if you like to keep it allowed, keep it turned on here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.